As the world watches in awe, Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind Tesla, unveils a revolutionary new battery that promises to change the future of the EV industry. Dubbed as the cheapest battery yet, this new technology has left scientists and industry experts scratching their heads, wondering how Musk and his team managed to achieve such a breakthrough. But this is not the first time Musk has surprised the world with his innovative ideas. He has always been known for his relentless pursuit of perfection and his refusal to compromise on quality. And this new battery is no exception. With its advanced design and cutting-edge technology, this new battery promises to be significantly cheaper and more efficient than anything Tesla has ever produced before. And it's not just the cost that's impressive. The battery has a longer lifespan, faster charging times, and a higher energy density, making it the perfect choice for electric vehicles. As the EV market continues to grow, this new battery is expected to have a major impact on the industry. With its unbeatable combination of affordability and performance, it will undoubtedly make electric cars more accessible to the masses and pave the way for a cleaner, greener future. But as with any innovation, there will be challenges. Despite the excitement surrounding this new battery, Musk has recently been embroiled in a series of controversies, with many media outlets criticizing his tactics and his treatment of employees. But despite these setbacks, Musk remains unfazed and continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we look to the future, it's clear that this new Tesla battery is just the beginning. With Musk at the helm, we can expect many more breakthroughs and innovations to come. And one thing is for sure, the future of the EV industry is looking brighter than ever. Hi and welcome to my channel. Join me on Elon Forecast as we delve into the latest discovery of Elon Musk's most affordable battery that has amazed experts. We will examine the unique features of this new battery compared to the ones utilized by Tesla and how it will impact the electric vehicle industry. When it comes to powering its electric vehicles and energy storage systems, Tesla has traditionally relied on purchasing battery cells with its proprietary chemistry from external suppliers. However, as the company continues to grow at a rapid rate of 40 to 50 per year, it became clear that they would soon face a significant gap between the production limits of their suppliers and their own internal demand. In order to solve this, Tesla's teams have been working tirelessly to identify new technical solutions and also to rethink the entire battery cell manufacturing process from start to finish. This has involved leveraging their extensive expertise in the field, as well as utilizing their state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment to drive further improvements in the battery cell format. In short, Tesla has made the decision to manufacture its own batteries in order to ensure that they can keep up with the growing demand for their products and to maintain their status as a world leader in the industry. Tesla, the world's leading EV manufacturer, has once again solidified its position at the top with its incredible production numbers in the second quarter of 2022. The company produced an impressive 310,048 electric vehicles, leaving its closest rival, Rivian, far behind with only 22,554 vehicles produced during the same period. Even more astounding is the fact that General Motors, a major player in the automotive industry, only managed to complete a measly 56 EVs during the same time frame. But what sets Tesla apart from the rest is its constant innovation and drive for improvement. The latest addition to the company's arsenal is the revolutionary lithium-sulfur battery, which has been developed by none other than Elon Musk and his team of brilliant engineers. The new Tesla 4860 battery is now available and has been designed with the aim of reducing the cost of the battery pack without compromising on performance. To achieve this, the engineers at Tesla had to start from scratch and come up with a new method of production. And they succeeded in doing just that, developing a new battery that has allowed the company to sell EVs for as little as $25,000 while still turning a profit. So, what sets this new battery apart from the ones used in Tesla vehicles today? To start, the new battery has a cylindrical shape much like earlier cells did. However, that's where the similarities end. The larger cell canister undergoes the most significant modification inside, where the tabs that serve as positive and negative connection points between the anode and cathode and the battery cases are removed. This major change results in a boost in production speed, as there is no longer a start-stop procedure needed to install the tabs. But what makes this battery so special? Well, the name itself holds the answer. The number 46 denotes the width of the cell, which is 46 millimeters, and the number 80 denotes the height of 80 millimeters. This is a significant departure from Tesla's previous 2170 battery, which was only 21 millimeters wide and 70 millimeters tall. This means that the 4860 is physically much larger and more energy dense. The larger size of each cell in the 4860 battery pack means that fewer cells are required to power a car, making the battery pack much more efficient. This not only increases the range of the car but also drastically lowers the cost of production. As Tesla continues to ramp up production of these new cells, it is expected that the price of a new car could decrease by as much as 30% or even more. This is a game changer for the electric vehicle industry. The 4680 Tesla cell is the most eagerly anticipated Tesla battery. Through a major scale-up of the battery production and the creation of larger, more affordable cells, this new battery is predicted to alter the future of electric vehicles. In addition to having 5 times as much energy, 16% longer range, 6 times as much power, and quicker supercharging, this new battery will be easier to manufacture and include fewer parts. That's pretty significant, but don't think things stop here. Tesla is likewise obsessed with bringing down the price of its cells per kilowatt hour. Even though the design change alone reduces the cost by 14%, there are still additional cost savings to be made. Lithium-sulfur batteries are incredibly affordable due to the abundance of sulfur. Sulfur, the 10th most common element, is present in nearly all plant and animal life, meteorites, the ocean, the Earth's crust, and the atmosphere. The lithium-sulfur battery has several wonderful qualities in addition to its low cost, which makes it the preferred battery. So how does this battery generate more speed in an EV? This battery, which is lighter than previous batteries, will enable Tesla to drive cars more quickly because they won't need to carry as many hefty lithium-ion batteries. Additionally, the battery is an excellent choice as it takes up less space. As a result of this technical improvement, EV owners may now use the extra space to store their luggage while traveling. As you may know, the original computers were quite enormous and heavy, but now they are very light. The battery case will be no different. It will be smaller and lighter. It has better storage, which will allow it to triple the range of EVs. This is a very appealing feature for EV owners who plan to travel relatively longer distances without charging their batteries. However, even if you were to charge the battery, it has a superior charging capacity, and it is reported that the battery can charge from 10 to 80 in around 25 minutes, which is just amazing if you're a power user. There should be no problem in charging in America because of Tesla's supercharging stations, which are present in all 50 states. These benefits will help Tesla move closer to their ultimate goal of making their vehicles more accessible, more efficient, and quicker to charge. These batteries also come with completely new vehicle architecture that begins in the front and the rear, single-piece castings made of high-pressure die-cast aluminium. These new structural batteries are the first ever dual-use batteries from Tesla, serving both as an energy source and a support for the vehicle. These structural batteries increase mass and range. Tesla is constantly striving to find new ways to save money and lessen its environmental impact, and one of the areas they are focusing on is the manufacturing of the battery cell's component pieces. One of the most significant changes they are making is in the method for producing the cathode and the anode foils that make up the battery. Traditional methods require the use of large amounts of water or solvent, which not only cost a lot to dry once applied to the foil, but also take a lot of work to recover afterward. But with Tesla's new lithium-sulfur battery, there's no need to worry about costly drying or recovery processes. During testing, the new battery was subjected to multiple shocks and circuitry, but did not emit smoke or fire, providing added peace of mind for EV owners. With this new technology, Tesla will be able to reduce the cost per kilowatt in half and extend vehicle range by almost 54%. Tesla's brand new $1.5 billion factory in Austin will serve as the main manufacturing center for these new 4,680 batteries. But the benefits of this new battery technology won't be limited to just Tesla's automobiles. According to Musk, the insane battery technology will also be added to other Tesla goods, including the Tesla house for sustainable living. The battery pack will be used to power the Tesla house and will also be used to power the Tesla human robot, also known as the Tesla Optimus or the Tesla bot. For the robot to have a long lifespan, it is essential that the battery it uses has good storage capacity. The use of Tesla's lithium-sulfur battery will not only be limited to Tesla products such as automobiles. Rather, the Tesla humanoid will primarily be performing tedious and repetitive tasks that humans would prefer to avoid. This lithium-sulfur battery, also known as the Biscuit 10 cell, has sparked excitement in the tech industry and among electric vehicle enthusiasts. Dubbed as insane and inexpensive, this new battery is expected to significantly reduce the cost of Tesla's cells and pave the way for smaller, more efficient factories in the future. The possibilities are endless for this revolutionary technology, as it could be used for a variety of Tesla products, from houses and humanoid robots to smartphones. But the most significant impact will be on the electric vehicle industry, as the cost of EVs is expected to become more affordable for consumers. Tesla's new factory in Austin, where the battery is being manufactured, is a testament to the company's ambitious vision for the future of energy storage and electric vehicles. The factory is a state-of-the-art facility designed to accelerate progress towards terawatt-scale manufacturing. As scientists are still studying this new discovery, it remains to be seen how it will change the industry. But one thing is for sure, Tesla's new lithium-sulfur battery has the potential to shake up the EV industry and make electric vehicles more accessible to everyone. As we've explored the revolutionary potential of the Tesla battery, it's hard not to wonder about its future and whether it will truly become a game changer in the energy industry, just like its creator, Elon Musk. The possibilities are endless, and the potential impact on our daily lives is astounding. Imagine a world where every home and business is powered by clean, renewable energy stored in these powerful batteries. The impact on the environment and our dependence on fossil fuels would be immense. But, as with any new technology, there are still challenges to overcome. There are questions about the cost and scalability of mass production, as well as concerns about the long-term durability of the batteries. However, with Elon Musk's track record of disrupting industries and pushing boundaries, it's hard not to believe that the Tesla battery will play a significant role in shaping our energy future. As we continue to watch the development and implementation of this technology, we can't help but be excited about the possibilities. And with every new announcement from Tesla and Musk, we're reminded of the potential for a brighter, cleaner energy future. So, as we come to the end of this video, I hope you've learned something new and had fun exploring the world of the Tesla battery. And if you're as excited as I am about this technology and the future of energy, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates and news from Elon Forecast and his team. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch up in the next video.